Hi everyone, it's Sam from Floral. So glad you can join me for a new video. So today's video we're going to do a box arrangement. I haven't done one on this channel yet, so hopefully we can film it and make it look nice. I've always struggled to try and work out how to film it properly without having such a huge amount of space and equipment. So let's see if it all works out. So I think this is the best angle for it. We're just going to start off with just adding some greenery as a sort of guide. It does come handy. When we place a lot of flowers. It will just so I'm just placing some greenery just to fill it out a little bit, sort of use it as guides. And then we can always come back later and fix it up with greenery, but the idea is we're going to fill it all with lovely, beautiful flowers. I think something like that for the front will look quite nice. It's a little bit more on the left. Sorry guys, it's a bit wobbly, the poor. Got gorgeous white roses. So this arrangement's gonna be all whites. Perfect for people that love whites, funerals, condolence gifts, things like that. Can all work out. So I'm just cutting everything at various heights. So this is sort of our starting position. If you don't like it, just take it out and then give it a fresh cut. Lovely disc bud. So I'm going to do a grouped arrangement. And sort of spread everything. Sort of try and make it as wide as possible, but also in proportion to everything so it doesn't stick out too crazy. There we are so far. I like to work in sections. So I went from the right to the center to the left. And then there's a few guides in the back. Because then we can also fill later. So I think I had a little bit of a style or shape that we're after. We can always feed things later, as long as we have the main material. There's that one. Just to show you a bit more of the angle. cut it a bit shorter. Starting to look really nice. Center's looking quite full. I was going to put all this sort of orchid stem carnations in the back and sort of direct it to the right. So there's a little gap. Just going to try and make sure that there's something there, just so it doesn't look empty, and give it that sort of fullness. Make sure you don't push too hard. So there we are now. Just going to add a few more of the Snapdragon. So I've just got a few more things to finish it off. Got some Hypericum in the white, Snapdragons, and some Frasias, which will look really nice just in the front section. So cut them quite short. Just gonna see if this works. Cool. Something like that. Now, lucky last, just some Frasias. Just gonna put them near the roses. And then one in front. There we are there. I think it looks quite nice. And I'm just going to get some greenery now and just tidy up all the sides. Make sure you can't see inside. And it'll just give it a nice accent. So we just added a few more bunny tails, just to give it a bit of texture. And I'm just going to finish with a bow. There's the bow there.